Good morning, Oxen Channel. Elizabeth speaking. How may I direct your call?
Hello, this is Monica Fontana. I'd like to speak to Barbara Johnson.
Just a moment, please. I'll put you through. I'm sorry, but Mrs. Johnson isn't in right now. Can I take a message?
Yes, could you please tell her that I called?
Sure. And what was your name again?
It's Monica Fontana.
And could you spell that for me?
Fontana. My name is Fontana. Funtana. And my first name is Monica. Monica.
Okay, I got it, Miss Fontana.
That's Fontana with a U.
I'm sorry. May I ask what you're calling about?
Yeah, Mrs. Johnson called me yesterday about an interview on her hot seat show.
So, you're calling to interview Mrs. Johnson?
No, she is going to interview me. Please tell her that I'm available next week.
Okay, got it.
And I appreciate it if she could call me back today to confirm.
Okay, got it. And what number can she reach you at?
My cell phone number is 250-77-48929.
Okay, that's 25099-705?
No, that's 250-77-48929.
Right, so 250-77-48929.
Yes, that's right.
Okay, got it. So you'd like Mrs. Johnson to call you back today to arrange an interview?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, Miss Fontana.
Fontana. My name is Fontana.
Okay, got it. Is there anything else today?
You could tell her, no, on the second thought, that's it.
Okay, I'll give her your message. Thank you for your call, Miss Banana.
It's Fontana. Goodbye.
Today's subject is having a successful phone call. Making a call in other languages is not easy.